My name's Daniel Spicer. I'm at the University of Hertfordshire. I'm also the team leader for UH Racing this year.
I'm James Wilkins, also from University of Hertfordshire, and I'm the operations manager for the team.
Fantastic. How are your Formula Student preparations going?
Preparation this year is going well. We've got quite a fresh team, so we lost a lot of experienced members that we've had for the last 3 years. It's been really a process of building up everyone's knowledge and understanding of Formula Student, so then we can perform at the same level as we've done for the previous years. The car's coming along nicely. We're out of the design phase now, and now pushing on with the actual build so we can actually test the car.
Cool. And what's been your biggest challenge so far within the team?
I would say that it's definitely been the fact that we have, as we said, lost a lot of the expertise from last year. We did originally have team members last year that had done Formula Student for 3 or 4 years, whereas this year we've only had people that have done it last year, such as myself and Dan. That means that we're a lot further behind than we could be with parts being designed, because we don't really know the ins and outs of them as much as past people have.
Cool. And so do you think your previous experience within the competition has helped you this year on a personal level?
Definitely, yeah, because we already have an understanding on basic time frames when we need to meet certain design requirements and like hard points in the actual project time plan. It means that also we can prepare better for static events at competition and really give the rest of the team actual understanding of what we expect from them and how they should, perform at competition from a personal level. Yeah, so it's been really helpful.
And how do you think taking part in Formula Students kind of helps young engineering students develop?
Ultimately, it means that they work. They go from just designing components in sort of a meaningless world to then they actually design a component. They have to take responsibility for it. So they have to take control of the manufacture, the actual material choice, whether they can actually make that part, and whether we've actually got the money. So do we have the sponsorship or the process to actually do it properly? So that whole process there really prepares people to then go into a real job, because they will deal with the same problems on a daily basis.
Cool. And just kind of finally, what do you guys hope to do in the future career-wise?
I personally would like to go into a normal car company. While I do enjoy the motor racing side of it, I'd rather go into a large company and have a steady job there instead of one where I may have to end up travelling around.
I mean, from my point of view, I enjoy the motorsport side of things. I really enjoy the pressure and being up against sort of, a huge amount of weight on your shoulders and make a decision under a small time frame. It's not that comfortable, but I really enjoy that sort of environment. So hopefully somewhere in the sort of large, broad motorsport world is the plan, but it's really up to me to make that happen. So.